Hey everyone, today I wanted to go through a tutorial update on the building of faux wrought iron fence. In that video, it showed using of a 4-inch diameter accent circle made out of PVC that we attached using epoxy. Now what I've discovered is through using of the fence, setting it up, breaking it down in a couple venues and applications, I have a couple circles that have broke loose over time. I haven't lost any circles, but they have broken loose. So what I did is I looked for an additional way that we could secure those circles in the actual fence assembly itself. Now for this change, what you'll need is a pneumatic stapler. These devices you can typically find either at your local hardware store, or if you have a local tool rental shop, they may even carry one there. Now to do this, what you're going to do is drive a staple through the PVC into the wood on the top and bottom of each circle. The staples you're using are going to be 5/8 inches long. Now, one thing I do still recommend is using the epoxy, because between using the epoxy and the staple, it will make for a secure accent circle within the actual build itself. Now, I have updated my wiki to reflect this change in this addition with attaching the circle. You can check out my wiki at wiki.malamaker.org. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm MalaMaker, and happy making.